Join the SUP Network to make money doing what you love to do. And I'm sure you will love that as well. Connect with your inspiration like never before. This platform is for creators to provide exclusive access to their content, build that connection, and get rewarded at the same time. Because the SUP Network just rewarded somebody. They announced their first donation not that long ago of $500 has gone to the winner. And the winner's Twitter page looks just like this. Your boy just got your first ever donation from the SUP Network. As a musician and a content creator, this is monumental. And it really is, because when you're first starting, you need that support. And it means the world to this person right here. Start your business by accepting payments and crypto for your service. And this is the page of the contribution that it looks like. SUP Network produce a track, 60 seconds, $576. Keep up the good work. This is the person that received the donation, and this is the information. Look at this, 576 top financial contribution, and look at the information that you see here. Financial contribution. People can start donating to help this person out to create more content and any type of music that he does. You see music, bass, and more. So this is actually really good. This is good for people to support the musicians and the content creators as well. But in this video, I'm going to go ahead and create an account as a content creator. I'm going to go ahead and create an account from scratch, okay? So my name is Adam Shelton, the captain. We're going to do this together, right? So I'm actually going to put my name in here. You know, my name, as you may know, is that. And I'm going to also put my email address. I agree with terms of service of SUP Network, and then subscribe to a newsletter or monthly newsletter, okay? Create an account. And there you go. I'm creating an account right now. We send this to this, redirect it. So let me go ahead and check my Gmail. Check the Gmail. So I'm going to check my Gmail account and see if we can go ahead and collect the information right now. Let me see here. Sign in. So I'm going to check my Gmail account and look out for the email, and then connect with the email there. So just like so, just like you did. Looks pretty simple. Let me close out some more of these windows here. Should be the first one at the top. And let me sure it have not came in yet. So, okay. So if not came in yet, I'm gonna go ahead. It's a you redirected from the link in the email. You can safely close this tab. So it's probably on its way. So I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this one time. It's probably on its way. And let me look at spam. Sometimes it may go to the spam. Sometimes information does go there sometimes. So it's loading up. That means something's coming in. There it is. It went to the spam. So check your spam messages just to make sure. Went right to spam here. So I'm going to go ahead and click in, log in. So it went to spam. So check your spam, check all your drafts, anything like that. And there you go. I'm already signed in. I created the account. And let me make sure that's me. All right. So, okay. So check it out. You can see it. You see my information right here, my name. I can view my profile, I can my settings, my transactions, and things like that. So I click on view profile. This is my information here. So I can put my picture here. I can edit my cover, edit my main color, you know, just like your typical profile when you're doing, okay? So I've already created my account here. And then from there, I can hit the down arrow button. I can create my product. Let's check it out right here. Create a product to collect and spend money transparently. And here is a profile representing a company or organization instead of an individual. So if I go click a product, this is where I can create my product name. Here will be your URL and what the product does. And just click on create product. Very simple. Very similar like what he just did here. So you click on product. These are the products that he did. This is the person that just received a donation. These are the financial contribution, his product, his information. And all his stuff is right here. And then this is where SUP Network went ahead and donated. They literally donated this part here. They'll produce a track 60 seconds here. So that's what that person did. So if I go back here, product name, let's see, product name. I'll put in content creation. I'll put in video content creation. All right, there's the information go. What did the product do? Product is what does your product do? It creating content with marketing solutions. marketing strategies. Or marketing strategies. I can always go back and change it. Create product. And then I'm going to create the product there. So look at this. Check it out. Video content creation has been created. Look at that. What do you want to invite? Okay, I can invite people. Finish. I can add my social here. I can add a social network there as well. And I think it's asking me to add a social. So, for now, I could just do my social. Okay, let me just see if that works. And then testing. Do something like that. All right. Welcome to your new product. Product is already set here. And then right here it says start accepting contributions. This is where I connect my wallet and pull the address manually, obviously. So I can connect my wallet here, very simple. And my wallet is already connected. And check it out. Here is my contribution, video content creation here, financial contribution. Here's the backer. So it has a $5 or $100 donation. I can actually add in a contribution tier right there. And then I can create a project, events, video content creations, all of us. So this is kind of what I just created. So this is an example how you can create it. And this is an example how people can go ahead and support you as well. Very, very simple. You can always edit all this information here. Here is the contact email. Here's the website and the Twitter page. This is what I just did. I can also change that. And this looks really, really good. So check out this. I'm telling you guys, check out SUP Network. It's a way of people to really support you. You know, so if you're a musician or a content creator or any type of entrepreneur, you can create a page like this and then have them, hey, you know, this is the good way of really supporting me is actually go to my URL, my page, and then our page will look like this, similar to this page here, and then do a contribution. This is a way of people can really support you. So I really like this. This is very connected, and you can make money doing what you love to do, and you've got a good platform with SUP Network here to help you out each and every single time. They do have a Twitter page, Telegram, all that jazz, and you can always connect with them on Twitter, Telegram, go on the website, and get connected. And they have a crypto Patreon right there as well, so check it out as well. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Created a page, create content with marketing strategy was an example here, and you can always add and edit your page, okay? And if you have any information, you have any questions, you can contact SUP Network as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.